everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to update Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, go to About Chrome to check for updates. If there are any updates available, Chrome will automatically start updating it when you open this page. After updating it, relaunch Chrome to finish the process. After updating Chrome, go to Privacy and Security, and here click Delete Browsing Data. For the time range, select last 7 days, then click Delete Data. After clearing cache and cookies, go to Extensions, and here disable or remove any unnecessary extensions. After disabling any unnecessary extensions, go back to Settings. Here, come to System, and make sure Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is turned off. The next thing you can do to speed up Chrome is to use Chrome's Task Manager to identify high memory processes and disable them. Open a new tab, then click Shift and Escape. This will open Google Chrome's Task Manager. Identify any process using too much memory and select it, then click End Process. Avoid ending essential processes like browser and GPU. The next thing you can do is to go back to Settings, and here go to Reset Settings and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings, then restart Chrome. And those are some easy ways to speed up Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.